All right, so by default, on your iPhone, voicemail will show transcriptions like this. But in some cases, these might fail to display properly. If that happens, there's a couple of things you can do to fix that. One would be to just restart your phone. Hold down the power button and the volume button, and then slide to power off and turn your phone back on. Sometimes a simple restart helps with temporary glitches. Another thing would be to check if your carrier supports visual voicemail, because that's the feature required for transcriptions to work. Most carriers now support it, but some prepaid or budget carriers don't support visual voicemail at all. And if that's the case, you're not going to see those transcriptions. Another thing would be to make sure Siri's language is set correctly. Go to Settings, then Siri and Search. Or on newer iPhones, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and tap Language. Voicemail transcription only works when Siri's language is set specifically to English United States or English Canada. Other English variants, like UK, Australian, or Indian English, won't work, even though they're technically still English. And if Siri itself is turned off on your phone, that'll break transcription too, since Siri is actually what powers this feature behind the scenes. Another thing you can try, go to Settings, and under General, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And from the Reset menu, you can reset your network settings. That clears cached carrier configurations that might sometimes be interfering with the visual voicemail service. You could also check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, General, About, and if there's a carrier settings update available, it'll prompt you here. Carrier updates often fix voicemail and visual voicemail bugs specifically. Another thing to do would be to temporarily turn on airplane mode. Leave it on for 15 to 30 seconds and then turn it back off. This forces a fresh reconnection to the carrier network, which can sometimes resolve those voicemail service hiccups. If it's still not working, we can try to reset visual voicemail entirely. Sometimes the fix is to go to the phone app, go to the voicemail tab down here, or if you're using the unified layout, go to the Calls tab and filter to voicemail. If you see a button that says Setup Now, go with that and redo the setup. That can refresh the transcription service connection. Also worth mentioning, not all messages get transcribed. That usually happens with background noise, low audio quality, a message that's super short, or a caller with a heavy accent. That's not really a bug, it's more of a limitation of the feature. Even when it's working, you're probably going to see some messages where transcription isn't available. So those are the things I would try if your voicemail transcriptions aren't working. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.